this group was full of so many insights, and I also had some beautiful deepenings into old traumas that came up, and I could work on them. And it wasn't dramatic, it was just allowing what was in a very safe space. And I think the teachers were very caring, authentic, and they had this huge backpack full of healing medical remedies, of tools, of different exercises we did. And I got to meet my inner man, which was very, very beautiful to me. And yeah, so this workshop was deep and fun and healing. Yeah.